Right, well, here's the bits out of the box. Got some pathetically undersized ground cable, some bolts, the remote, the handheld remote solenoid pack hook, and some more connectors. In behind here, and although there's no instructions with the Toyota stuff, I imagine we take off this first protection clip. Just looking to see if we can rotate the motor compared to the mount. We can't, it's just one casting. But it looks like we can rotate the clutch, so we'll do that. Well, we undid all those wee cap screws, and now we're just going to make sure we put it back on in the correct orientation. We've replaced the gasket here. Right, well, the holes don't actually allow you to put it to the top, so I'll have it tipping forward slightly. The trick with these is push the centre down and then lever it up. Granddad found, and I'll drop one on the floor. Right, well, disassembling it, I can shove the motor in from the bottom, so it's done up. Right, well, we finally got it in. Yep. The secret is...
Get the wiring in next.
Yeah, the secret is to take off the rope, and then probably, if we had a hoist, we'd take off that next underbody protection panel, and then it would probably go in a hell of a lot easier. Right, well, there's the motor, the drum, the clutch, which is going to be a problem. I can't reach it from down here.
Yeah, you have to reach it from underneath.
Right, we have power eventually.
It goes round.
In. It's the correct way. Out. Yeah, wonderful. We have a few wires to tidy up yet.
Yes.
Might put the rope back on while Granddad's here helping me. Voila! Success! good night. So we're going to put the control box here. We just need to connect it into place. I think it's a good place. And in here I can reach the clutch. Let's see if we can see it.
There.
Yeah, it's down. Granddad's pointing at it. You can't see it on the camera. Right, well we need to put the first protection plate back on. So we'll do that. We're all back together except for the plastic piece in here, because I have to just use some cable ties to tidy things up, but there she blows.
We know it goes.
We know it goes, and we can reach the clutch from here.